How to get Nano Banana API key. Want to generate images or run AI tasks with Nano Banana? You'll need an API key, and here's how to get one and start using it. Go to Nano Banana website. So you can go ahead and get API keys by accessing Google AI Studio and then sign into your account. Log in to access your dashboard. Now from here, simply click on this Get API Key button, which should basically find at the bottom left of your screen. And that will take you into this section. So in here, click on this Create API Key button at the top right and then name your API key. So for example, the name of the API key would be Nano Banana. And then after that, click on Create Key. And then under the API keys, you'd be able to copy the API key of this by clicking on this Copy API Key button at the right side of Nano Banana. Your API key will be shown only once, copy it immediately, and store it securely in a password manager. If it's lost or compromised, you can reset it. And that is how to get Nano Banana API key.